Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. It's very simple and fraction of second you can create your playlist in YouTube channel. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, enter your YouTube account and here two options are available: customize channel and YouTube studio. So first of all, I click the YouTube studio and this is my YouTube studio and some related informations are available here. So here some several options are there. This is a dashboard, video and playlist. I click the playlist, wait couple of seconds, and here some showing my playlist. I make some playlist and publish the video on using this playlist. So here several mix playlist, social media, basic Python, NLP using NLTK, Apple tips and tricks. So here several playlists are available and here one options are comes now new playlist. I click the new playlist and type here like YouTube playlist. Here one options are available like public. You click here and three different options are come: public, unlisted and private. You can click this playlist as a private. So look at this mix playlist is my private. Lock symbol are comes means this is a private playlist, and this is a public. This globally in world symbol are come, so this is a public playlist. You can anyone watch and visit this playlist. Unlisted, not showing this unlisted playlist in my playlist. So you can use these features and create. Just I create this playlist and here simply YouTube playlists are created. You can upload video here and then accordingly share this playlist to your friends and social media. You can add here some descriptions also. Research Rocks, like you can type here related playlist related information so people can easily understand. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and you don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind.